Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we'll see how to set up SMTP settings in Clappia so that emails from your apps go out using your own Gmail email address instead of the default Clappia email. This is important if you want emails to look more official, to come from your company's email ID, make replies go to the right inbox, or simply have better control over email communication from your apps. Let's see how this works. I've logged into my Clappia workplace and I'll take this app that I created earlier as an example. This is a simple incident reporting app. This app is already configured to send out emails the moment a submission is made. If I go to Design App, then to Workflows, you can see this email node here. And on the right panel, you can see the setup. There is a separate video that explains how to configure the email node in detail. I'll link that in the description. It's very simple really. All I've done is mention to which email address the email needs to be sent out to, the subject and the body. Let me quickly test this out so you can see what happens. So in App Home, I'll make a quick random submission. And this should immediately trigger the email. I'll click on Submit and I'll check my inbox. And here you can see the email has come in, capturing all the submission details. If you notice closely, this email has been sent from noreply@clappia.com. This is the default behavior in Clappia. Now, if you want these emails to be sent from your own Google email ID instead, you'll need to set up SMTP settings in Clappia. There are two ways to do this. One is at the workplace level, which affects all apps. The other is at the app level, which affects only a specific app. First, let's see how to make this applicable for all apps, meaning the entire workplace. On the left panel, click on Workplace Settings, then go to Preferences and select SMTP. On the right panel, enable this option that says Configure SMTP Server. Here you have the option Authentication Type. Click on it and select the one for Google. The other options are covered in separate videos if you need them. But the setup is more or less similar. Once you select it, click on Connect with Google. You will get a pop-up window. Select your account. When connecting to your Google account, if you happen to see this message, just click on Advanced and then click on Go to Clappia. Don't worry, your account will be connected. Now an important note here. When connecting your Google account, the pop-up will request certain permissions. Make sure you allow the permission to send email on your behalf if you get that option. If this permission is not granted, the SMTP setup will not work correctly and emails triggered from your Clappia apps may fail to send. Okay, once that's done, the connection is complete. And that's it. From now on, all emails triggered from any of your Clappia apps will be sent using the connected Google account instead of noreply@clappia.com. Let's test this again. I'll use a different app this time. And this app is also configured to send out email notifications once a submission is made. I've set the email address to which it should be sent to, subject and body. I'll just make a quick submission here and submit. Going back to the inbox, I have received the email. And it no longer says noreply@clappia.com, but the Google account that I connected with. One more thing to keep in mind, if you later clear your browser cache, revoke Google permissions, or sign out of your Google account, this may affect email sending through SMTP. If that happens, you can simply connect back here and click Reconnect with Google to restore the connection. Also, if you have multiple email IDs connected to a Google account, you can select which email address you want to send out the email address from by selecting the option over here. And don't forget to save it. Now, this setup applies to all apps in the workplace. But what if you want a specific app to send emails from a different email address? In that case, you can use app-level SMTP settings. To do that, open your app, go to Design App, Configuration, click on SMTP Settings, and on the right panel, enable this option. You'll see the same options as the workplace SMTP setup. You can follow the same steps here and connect a different Google account if required. You can also select other accounts even if the SMTP in workplace settings has a different authentication type. Let me quickly test this app to show you how it works. So in App Home, I'll make a quick submission again, submit this, and check my inbox. I've received the email, and here you can see the email has been sent from the account I configured specifically for this app, not the workplace level one. Another important point, if SMTP is configured at the app level, it'll always take precedence over the workplace level SMTP settings. The same behavior applies even if submissions are made through the Clappia mobile app. There's no extra setup required there. And if you haven't tried out the Clappia mobile app yet, and if you want to, you can download it either from Play Store or App Store. And that's it. This is how you can set up SMTP settings in Clappia, both at the workplace level and the app level to control which email address your app emails are sent from. If you have any questions while setting this up or on any other feature in Clappia, you can raise a support request by clicking on the button over here at the top. You can either select AI Assistant, which is trained on all of Clappia's help material, or you can select any other option and our support team will get in touch. Thank you.